today I have got a item that was sent to me for review from a company called PepperMate, and I just want to say thank you to them for sending this to me. So as you can see, these are some seasonings. You have a scan for recipes. That's pretty neat, and it comes in this box. So let's open it up and let's look at these. So there are 5 different spices in here. And I will say that the company has been in business since 1982. So it has this first one here. Is sea salt, and these are all with a grinder. Okay, and then we have got I guess I should have took the bubble wrap off of it before I started the video. We have got black peppercorn. We have got garlic salt. We've got Himalayan pink salt. And then we have got rosemary and garlic salt. So these are all, they all come with the grinders. If I can get them to stay. So I do know that it did say something about that these were shown by some celebrity. I don't know if it said celebrity chefs or not, but this is what it looks like. And so you're going to take the lid off, and it is sealed. So you would unseal it, and then there's the grinder. These are glass, but you just unseal it, and then you can just have it as a grinder. And then you can refill it once you're done. Let me look and see what it did say. Yeah, they've been in business since 1982. And they're known for their patented pepper meal used by celebrity and home chefs worldwide. So, like I said, this is really nice. I cannot wait to try these. Especially this one. I have never had rosemary and garlic salt. So, that is going to be pretty special. So, alright, so I will leave a link to these in my description box so that y'all can check these out. And like I said, this is great because you can refill these once you get emptied, but it's going to take a while. So, these will last for a while. And they are 4.2 ounces. This one is a 3.6 ounce. That one's a 4.1, 4.09, and this one is a 1.9. So yeah. Again, this is from a company called PepperMate, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.